This video is from Success Convent, Melacheval, Tirunelveli, Tamil Nadu. Today I am going to take a book back exercise for grade 4. Subject Science. Lesson number 1. Page number 61. Name of the lesson is Plants Make Food. Name of the lesson is Plants Make Food. You can take page number 61. You can see a continuation of the book back exercise. What can we learn from cactus plant? So, what can we learn? What we learn from cactus plant? So, answer, a cactus plant does not have leaves. Already I explained in the lesson, a cactus plant does not have any leaves. It has spines. It has a thick and fleshy green stem. It has a thick and fleshy green stem. It makes its food in its fleshy stem by the process of photosynthesis. By the processes of photosynthesis. Question number 3. List the functions of a leaf. So, list the functions of a leaf. So, what are the functions of a leaves? So, leaves make food for the plants. So, they are called kitchen or food factories of a plant. Okay. Okay. Number 2, we can see leaves help plants breathe through stomata. Number 3, leaves gives shape and color to the plant. Question number 4. What is a food chain? So, what is food chain? Answer. The flow of energy in the form of food from one living organisms to another is called food chain. Okay? Okay, I will read the spelling now. What? W-H-A-T. What? Can. C-A-N. Can. We. W-E. Learn. L-E-A-R-N. Learn. From. F-R-O-M. From. Cactus. C-A-C-T-U-S. Cactus. Plant. P-L-A-N-T. Plant. Question mark. A cactus, C-A-C-T-U-S, cactus, plant, P-L-A-N-T, plant, does not, D-O-E-S, does, not, N-O-T, not, have, H-A-V-E, have, leaves, L-E-A-V-E-S, leaves, it has, I-T, it, has, H-A-S, has, spines, S-P-I-N-E-S, spines, it has, I-T, it, has, H-A-S, has, a, thick, T-H-I-C-K, thick, and, A-N-D, and, fleshy, F-L-E-S-H-Y, fleshy, green, G-R-E-E-N, green, stem, S-T-E-M, stem. It makes, I-T, it, makes, M-A-K-E-S, makes, its, I-T-S, its, food, F-O-O-D, food, in, I-N, in, its, I-T-S, its, fleshy, F-L-E-S-H-Y, fleshy, stem, S-T-E-M, stem, by, B-Y, by, the, T-H-E, the, process, P-R-O-C-E-S-S, process, of, O-F, of, photosynthesis, P-H-O-T-O-S-Y-N-T-H-E-S-I-S, photosynthesis. List, L-I-S-T, list, the, T-H-E, the, functions, F-U-N-C-T-I-O-N-S, functions, of, O-F, of, a, leaf, L-E-A-F, leaf. Answer, leaves, L-E-A-V-E-S, leaves, make, M-A-K-E, make, food, F-O-O-D, food, for, F-O-R, for, the, T-H-E, the, plants, P-L-A-N-T-S, plants, so, S-O, so, they, T-H-E-Y, they, R-A-R-E-R, called, C-A-L-L-E-D, called, kitchen, K-I-T-C-H-E-N, kitchen, or food, F-O-O-D, food, factories, F-A-C-T-O-R-I-E-S, factories, of a plant, P-L-A-N-T, plant. Number 2, leaves, L-E-A-V-E-S, leaves, help, H-E-L-P, help, plants, P-L-A-N-T-S, plants, breathe, B-R-E-A-T-H-E, breathe, through, T-H-R-O-U-G-H, through, stomata, S-T-O-M-A-T-A, stomata. Number 3, leaves, L-E-A-V-E-S, leaves, gives, G-I-V-E-S, gives, shape, S-H-A-P-E, shape, and, A-N-D, and, color, C-O-L-O-U-R, color, to, T-O-2, the, T-H-E, the, plant, P-L-A-N-T, plant. Question number 4, what, W-H-A-T, what is I-S, is A, food chain, F-O-O-D, food, chain, C-H-A-I-N, chain, question mark. Answer, the, T-H-E, the, flow, F-L-O-W, flow, of energy, E-N-E-R-G-Y, energy, in, I-N, in, the, T-H-E, the, form, F-O-R-M, form, of, food, F-O-O-D, food, from, F-R-O-M, from, one, O-N-E, one, living, L-I-V-I-N-G, living, organisms, O-R-G-A-N-I-S-M-S, organisms, two, T-O-two, another, A-N-O-T-H-E-R, another, S-I-S is called, C-A-L-L-E-D, called, food chain, F-O-O-D, food chain, C-H-A-I-N, food chain. B, what can we learn from cactus plant? A cactus plant does not have leaves. It has spines. It has a thick and fleshy green stem. It makes its food in its fleshy stem by the process of photosynthesis. List the functions of a leaf. Number 1, leaves make food for the plants, so they are called kitchen or food factories of a plant. Number 2, leaves help plants breathe through stomata. Number 3, leaves gives shape and color to the plant. Question number 4, what is a food chain? Answer, the flow of energy in the form of food from one living organisms to another is called food chain. Okay, today's homework, this page number 61, continuation of this book back exercise. This one you can see here, B and third question and fourth question. You have to write neatly for one time and reading for one time. Thank you.